Hello everyone and welcome to Nancy's Magic Touch and DIYs. If this is your first time on my channel, welcome. And if it's not, well, thank you so much for coming back. In today's video, I am going to share with you my Christmas haul. I have using a lot of my old stuff over the years, and I just want to add a little bit of new stuff in the mix. When I buy Christmas stuff, I tend to keep it for years and years and reuse them over and over. So it's not a big investment for me to put some money on new Christmas decor because I know that I will use it for a long time. So I don't know if you guys have the same situation where you're at, but here where I am in my hometown, we're very limited when it comes to Christmas shopping. Our shelves are pretty bare and you have to make multiple trips almost on a daily basis to see if they got something new on the shelves. So I have made many trips to Winners, as it seems to be the best affordable spot to buy some Christmas decor, and they keep their shelf pretty good. They have stock coming every day, so I was lucky enough to get some pretty good stuff at Winners. So I'm gonna start and show you what I got. So grab a nice warm cup of tea or a hot cocoa or something and get cozy, and let's get started. So I have a mug addiction. I'm not gonna lie, mug is my thing. I love mugs. So I was lucky enough to go to Walmart one day and they had mugs on their shelves. So I picked up 6 mugs. I have this one, says Merry Noel. This one says naughty and nice, and it's red on the inside. So these are pretty nice. I also got this one that says cozy, warm and cozy, and hot cocoa. This one's red inside, and they are matte finish. I really love these mugs. If you have a mug addiction like I do, get to Walmart and pick these up. Cheers and Santa's milk. And these two are super cute too. I love the candy cane handle on them. I have a candy cane bar tertiary team this year, so this will be perfect. So it says cozy and warm and holiday cheers. I went to the Bay and I was lucky enough to find one of these nice mug holder. I have a mug holder, but it's rather really big and it takes a lot of space on my counter, so I wanted to downsize. This is a 6 mugs holder, so this will be perfect for my small counter space. I found these cute little wooden white snowflakes at Lawton's pharmacy. So I picked up 3 of these to add to my living room decor. They have some pretty cute ornaments at Walmart, and this year I picked 3 new ornaments. I want to lighten up my tree a little bit. So as you can see, one here, my tree's decorated already. I have an upcoming video on how I decorate my tree, so you can look out for that. So I got some of these little stocking, and they have the clip on the back, and these are $4.98 a piece. So I got one of these. I got the deer head. These are $3.98. And I got the skate, and these were $4.98. So I got one of each to put on my Christmas tree. As you can see, there's a deer and a skate. At Walmart, I also picked up these beautiful little tree with the galvanized bucket on it. And these were only $10. So I picked up the only 3 that was on the shelf. Lucky there was not more. I probably would have picked up more, but I have 3 of these on hand. Over at Michael, I found these beautiful hanging berry branch about everyone that was there. These are beautiful. So they are perfect for my Christmas decor. So like I said, I have made several trips to Winners, but it was worth it because I found some pretty awesome stuff. I love wooden decorations. That's my thing. I really love it. And I found these beautiful little trees. They have a little bit of sparkle to them. I found 2 of these, and I found bigger size of the same one. So of course I picked that up. And I found one a little bit different on a medium size with little stars. I also found this beautiful wooden gift box with the sparkle a little bit. No, there's no sparkle, sorry. This is metal, and this opens. Oh, my receipts are in there. This opens, so I'm going to use this for an actual gift for someone. So perhaps give my daughter gifts or my hubby a gift in this box every year. I also found these cute little wooden reindeer with a snowflake up front. I got 2 of them. They are super, super cute. I found these beautiful reindeer. Look how gorgeous these are. And I have one laying down, and then I have one standing up. So they're quite large, as you can see, but I'm not sure where I'm going to put them yet, but I think they are absolutely gorgeous. I also found this little wooden reindeer. It's got little sparkles through it like the tree that I have, so this is super cute. These beautiful lanterns. I love the wood rustic roof on it, and these are these have the pre-lit candles on them. And I love these because I am going to use them year-round. They're very versatile. It doesn't have to be just Christmas. So I picked 2 of these for my home. I picked up some pretty cute tea towels. First, I got some kind of just the red and white plaid, and in the middle you have a white. So you have 2 of these and a white one, which I absolutely love. But I also found this beautiful little beetle tea towel with the Christmas tree, and it's got some details on it. I really love it. And I really like that it has the candy cane stripes on the other tea towel. So these are super, super cute. I cuddle with my dogs all the time, so I need some fuzzy, nice, warm blankets for my puppies. They're always cold. They're little chihuahuas and little dogs anyway. I picked up this beautiful throw blanket at Winners as well, and the other side is just a nice soft material. And my little Rosie, the little princess chihuahua, will absolutely love this, and I love it myself. It is super soft, and I love the print on it. It makes it a nice, I don't know, it gives it some kind of a, I don't know, natural feel to it. I also found this super nice faux fur pillow. It is huge, as you can see, and I will put that on my big cozy chair. Perfect pillow to cuddle with me puppies. I found these beautiful faux fur stocking. These are gorgeous. I got 2 of these, and I love knitting, the knitting look, so I got a pack of 2 of these red knitting stocking for my living room. These are absolutely gorgeous, and they are so nice together. The colors are so nice. These seems to be my tones that I go to all the time. I like a rustic feel into my home. There's the garbage truck. There's always seem to be something when I do a video. I apologize for that. I was looking for a new bed cover for my bedroom. I was kind of tired of the one that I had, and I wanted something new, so I took a trip to the bay, and I found I have it in my pillow right now, but this is the new color for my bedroom. This pillow is huge, so you will see the tone. This is a nice flannel duvet cover, so this is what I'm using as a team color for my bedroom this year. And I will have a decorate with me bedroom video, so if you want to see that, that will be soon on my channel. Also, for my bed, I wanted to pop some color into that beautiful duvet cover, so I went to Winners and found this beautiful cozy heavy knit big huge throw. It's by the Farmhouse. I'm a little bit worried that my dogs might tangle in it. They had little paws, so I'm not sure if I'm going to use it or not. But as a second option, I found this as well at Winners, and this is a huge and it's not this square mat. It's like got the curves to it, and it's the nice faux fur, and it is super soft. So this is my other option. I haven't decided what I'm going to use out of the two yet. I'm going to try them both and see, but my Rosie will absolutely love this, so I think this may be the winner, but we'll see. I found this beautiful table runner. This will be for my living room. It's got the beautiful little tassels at the end, and I got this at Winners. And I found these two beautiful pieces. I am absolutely in love with this. I could not resist them. And look at these beautiful tree. These are absolutely gorgeous. I am so in love with this. These will last me for years. I've got two other pieces of decorations to show you. They are quite large, so here they are. They are absolutely beautiful. Well, that's it for my Christmas haul for this year. I usually like to buy a couple of things every year just to add to my collection. I've been collecting Christmas decor for years, and I tend to use them over and over, and I try to be smart and buy things that I'm gonna want to use for a long time. So if you like this video, please give me those big thumbs up. I want to hear your comments down below. And if you haven't had a chance to subscribe to my channel and you like what you see, please hit that red button and subscribe. Until next time, folks, you have yourself a wonderful day.